Happy for today. I made some, well actually I made it last night. I made some fudge and I had some walnuts and some sprinkles. I also did some other baking stuff. So I'm gonna pull this out and cut this up for later on. So I chopped up a piece. Very decadent. Gonna transfer this container, and then I have a little 4th of July little platter. I'm gonna put those on. Okay, I have it all cut up. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Look at how cute that is. There's the little board that I'm gonna put it on, a little 4th of July one. I got this at Hobby Lobby. How cute with the little star. I'm gonna put the fudge on there. Okay, ended up making French toast for breakfast just because I was out of a lot of things, and this is just what worked. I also have my iced coffee here, but I added way too much milk. I was out of fresh milk, so I used the carnation, the evaporated milk. Oof, I put too much. Oh well. So this is what we're gonna have for breakfast for today. And this is what the cupcakes look like that I made. I left some unfrosted. I always did that for George. They're pretty good. They remind me like of a mantecada. Try to do like a red, white, and blue, but it came out like a pink and a blue, but you get the point. Okay, this is Miss Emily. Outfit of the day. Isn't that stinking cute?
Got the boots.
Got the boots and little twirl for the hair. Woo! So beautiful, my baby. I'll show you guys right now the other girls. They're so cute too. Go ahead, turn. So cute. This marinated chicken, and then I got some mango habanero chicken, and then this is all they had of the al pastor flour tortillas for some quesadillas, and then my brother-in-law and sister-in-law already have carne asada tortillas, and then these chips. How festive is that?
A customer, her name Ruby. Can you come to
Can you say hi?
Ruby, to the front, please?
They color them, one?
I want to try a red one.
Okay.
I'm gonna go in order. I'm gonna go. Happy 4th of July. I miss you.
Bye.
I love you. Bye.
Okay, I'm gonna take the fudge outside right now and serve that, and then I'll keep the rest in the cooler. But look at how cute on the little platter. Yummy.
I'm gonna put this chicken right there, no?
Yeah. A ver cómo sale.
Pull it back. Get on the plate. No.
No, yo mejor apagué el teléfono porque no agarraba una. Ya nada. Nobody. Oh my god. My cup. Okay, so I am editing, and I guess the ending of this vlog, there was no fireworks. I think I have like a little one. I'll probably insert here like a little boomerang that I was trying to get on Instagram. But yeah, we still had a lot of fun for our 4th of July. Of course, spending time with family and just being in the moment. This vlog was actually supposed to go last week, but I think I just felt a little tired and like overwhelmed. So here and there, I'll give myself a little break. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll insert some clips at the end. But I want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, familia.